remember one night I had this girlfriend I was madly in love with, and she broke up with me. And my buddy Jordan, he had a white Ford Explorer, and he said, "Bro, I was like, a teenage kid. I'm all in tears, 14, 15 years old, crying, slobbering, all that stuff." He said, "Bro, what do you want to do?" And he knew I didn't drink. I didn't have my first taste of alcohol until I was almost 18. And I said, "Man, I just want to ride. Let's ride down some roads." And so we went dirt road riding. And that's where the concept of this song kind of came from. It's called Heartbreak Road. Park my truck down an old dirt road with my headlights pointed south. And in the passenger seat where you used to be, I only see its memories. So I turn off the radio, load another tune in my mind. I don't know what I did that was so wrong that made you up and go. Park my truck down Heartbreak Road with my headlights pointed south. And I think about all the good times we had, and where we all went wrong. And no matter how far I drive, I can't escape your love. So with white knuckles, I drive like hell down Heartbreak Road. So I'll ride until the night. Until our love is hidden in the dust. Yes, I'll drive through the night until I can't see your face anymore. Down Heartbreak Road. No matter how far I drive, I can't escape your love. No matter how far I drive, I can't escape your love. No matter how far I drive, I can't escape your love. Oh, so I'll ride until the night, until our love is hidden in the dust. Oh, I'll drive through the night until I can't see your face anymore. Down Heartbreak Road. park my truck down Heartbreak Road with my headlights for the side.